Hello and welcome back to tazwells12. You are again on my YouTube channel, which is tazwells12. I am host to Tara Wells, and today's video is going to be a B&M haul. Nice, love these hauls, yeah. Before we get into this haul, I just want to say the nitty gritty stuff first that I always say at the beginning of these videos. If you like the products, the advice I give you, or anything that you like in this video, then please give it a massive thumbs up, because it tells me what you guys like, what content you want to see, what content I can bring, and it's good for the video too. So give that a massive thumbs up if you like anything. If you want to come and join the tazwells12 little love family, then you can do that by hitting the subscribe button and joining my YouTube journey as we go along. Come and join us for more content as we post. If you want to comment down below, you are more than welcome to do that, because I will 100% comment back to you. You can comment back about anything on this video that you like, you dislike if you want to, but tell me what you like and what bargains you have found at B&M. Then comment down below, or if I have shown you something, then definitely let me know and we can 100% have a conversation. I just want to say that I am not sponsored by B&M or any of the brands that I do show you. This is all out of my own money and it's just an advice video for you guys, so I'm not sponsored. Check my other social medias out on my main page by the clickable button for Instagram and Twitter. That is everything. I'm going to stop rambling and stop going on. Let's get into the B&M haul. So I've got my receipt here and I'm going to go from top to bottom and let you know all the prices and show you the item. First item is this pack of 2 toothbrushes. These are a twin pack medium. They are full. They are Listerine Reach ones. They literally have got a green one and a purple one, and the toothbrushes look like this. These were only £1 for the 2. I'm actually not going to use these as an actual toothbrush, but I'm going to use them for cleaning my car or cleaning really hard areas of the house with these. So these are like perfect. We've got like a sink downstairs in the kitchen. There's like this little rim bit. This would be great to get all the dirt out of it. There's little tiny bits of like around my window and on my car. There's tiny little places that I can't get in with a normal like sponge. These pieces are great to get in there. And at £1, I thought that was a really good bargain. This little duo is a great little bargain, because I normally pay in like £1 for one, and when I saw these I thought they were really great, and I think they're a really good make of that brand that's worth this. So this is what it is. So this is Colgate Max Wipe Sparkle Diamonds, plus 10 times longer lasting cooling. There's 2 tubes of 75 ml. Experiment. This is normally like really expensive on its own. Either it can be £1, so you could buy 2 tubes for like £2. I actually got both of these in a dual pack for £1.79, which I thought was quite good. I actually use 2 toothpaste. Really weirdly, I use a Sensodyne toothpaste as my normal toothpaste, but if anyone knows, Sensodyne toothpaste is ridiculously expensive. So I basically get that for my gums, or like a daily one that's going to give my teeth an absolute really good clean. So that's my main toothpaste. The Colgate ones are always like my double up. So basically I will mix the Sensodyne with a Colgate bit on the same toothbrush and give my teeth a good clean. This will give me the white maximum, and also this foams up really well in my mouth, so it proper gives it a good little foam up in my mouth, which you really want for a clean. So basically I'm getting the clean inside and the whitening side on 2 sides of the toothpaste, even though this is costing me probably a little bit extra. So I'm probably paying like a good £4 to £5, maybe £6 for both of the toothpaste, because Sensodyne, like I said, is majorly expensive. So if I wanted a white one and a cleaner one, the gum one on its own can be sometimes like £4 to £5. Crazy, isn't it? So now I've decided to get a cheaper Sensodyne one that still give me the clean inside, but get a cheaper version Colgate one for the whitening side. But I thought that's really good for 2 tubes. We have one of these already in our kitchen, but when Neil went to use it, he didn't really like it because basically it's the handle and then it has it at one side, and I will show you what it is and then you'll know what I'm explaining about. It's this. So it's a masher, but the masher that we have already got at the moment is that it's got the handle, but it's got literally like the handle and then it comes out one side, and he said it's a bit flimsy, and I think I did only just get that from Poundland. I thought I would get this one. I know this is plastic, and my mum said, well, maybe about a metal one. And I think if this doesn't work, then maybe we will have to get a metal one, but in this design. But we'll go with this at the moment. This is exclusive since 1931, George Wilkins design in the UK. So George Wilkinson is quite a good brand and is quite well known, like, for good little compliance in the kitchen. So this is a nylon masher with scraper for minimal waste. It's really good. And this is a non-stick, the best of British, and it just have like your little mash in that, and it doesn't really say anything on the back, and this was only at the price of £2, which I thought, you know what, let's just go for it. At the end of the day, he found it really hard with the old masher, so we'll keep the old one still and try this new one, and then if they both don't work, then we'll have to try and find a metal one in this design. I actually wash my own car. I just preferably to do it so when it's nice weather or really cool or that sort of like lovely sort of mid-ish weather, I will get out and clean my car. I love to do it. It's really weird because a lot of people don't like doing it, but I actually do, and I like getting it out and there, and it's good to get out the fresh air and do something that you feel that you're proud of and it looks lovely. When I was at my mum's, we had a alloy like brush to get in between the wheels of the alloy. Somehow that brush has not come with us to this house, and I had to use something alternative, and it didn't really work, and it kind of was falling to pieces. But I used it for that day just to get rid of it, so we could then just use it so I could have clean alloys, because I really needed doing, because I haven't cleaned it for like probably months. And then I went in B&M and saw this. So I don't really look in the car section unless I'm looking for something, and I kind of forgot about this. And we went down that aisle and I was like looking about, and I was like, oh, there's one of them brushes, we need one of them, because Neil will be using this too, it won't just be me. But this was quite a good brand as well, because it's from the ROC, really good brand again. So this is the cone wheel brusher. So it's a large cone shape for brush for deeper cleaning, non-slip rubber handle, which is actually true because it's like this lovely handle. You can see that you've got good grip to it. So it's got the good brush in there, because if you want to get through the alloys like that, perfect. It's not going to fall apart because this is what the old one was. And this was only at the price of £2.99. I can try this out when I next clean my car and let you guys know a verdict if you want, or if you want to comment me, then I can let you know if it did work. But I think this is going to be really, really good, and I thought that wasn't too bad for that price. So this is an actual item I've seen a couple of times when I've gone into B&M, and I'm just like, no, we don't need them. We don't need them anymore. We don't not need them. And then I went with my mum, which is a terrible thing to do because she encourages me to get things. So I said to her, oh, I really like them bowls. I really like them. How much are them? So we found the price, and I was like, yeah, that's good. And I was like, I really like them bowls. I've been eyeing these up for quite a few times, and my mum was just like, you know what, just get them, because you know what happens, you've seen things before and then you don't get them and then they've gone. So these probably look nothing at the moment. I'll try and bring it like closer, because there's a design on the bowl that looks really pretty. These are the set of 4 decorative glass bowls. I got them for £3. £3 for 4 little glass bowls, I think is amazing. If I can bring it closer, it's going to be so hard to show you. I might have to open this up. But you can see there's like a cut glass design in them. I'm trying to show you as much as I can. There you go. So you can see there's like a cut glass design, and it's embroidered on the outside of the actual bowl. I absolutely adore these. I think these are going to be like lovely little bowls for like Christmas time. Christmas time, these will come so much in handy. Or like if we have a gathering for like birthdays, or you have people over barbecues, these bowls will come in so much handiness, because you can put dessert in them, so they can be like a dessert bowl, or they can be your knicky-knacky bowls where you have your nuts, your crisps, bits like that, because they're just big enough to put that sort of stuff in, and or dips or anything like that. These will come so much in handy, and I just love the design on them. And I thought £3 for 4 bowls was an absolute steal, because that's less than £1 for each bowl. Glad I'm actually got these, and they are mine now. With looking in like the beauty section and the health and the skincare range, I found this, which I thought was really good. And I am going to read the back, because I've just seen something really good on the back. This might be good, we'll have to read. I picked this up actually for a present, and it's the WONDERBALM, and it is with natural fruit extract, moisturizes, nourishes and smooths skin, lips, nails and cuticles, enriched with aloe vera original, and there's 50 ml in here. So it comes in this like little tube, and this, just saw this and I thought this looks good. This looks really good. So on the back it says WONDERBALM original has natural fruit extract to moisturize your skin, lips, and it is also enriched with aloe vera. Helps to nourish nails and cuticles. The balm can also be used for cosmetic finishing, including setting eyebrows and hanging lashes. What? I got this as a present for £1. And I wish that I had picked another one up now, because I did not read that on the back. Elongating lashes. Oh my days, I've been looking for balms to put on my lashes. Please tell me if anyone has used this, because I am a bit dubious to give this as a present now. I may just keep it for myself, which is a little bit bad, but I really want to try that on my lashes, because why has it said that? Like, for including setting eyebrows, so you can use it as an eyebrow wax. Like, not wax, but like, you know, when you do the soap brows, you could probably use it as that. Elongating your lashes has set me off of this. Yeah, so this was only £1. Please comment down below if anyone has tried this, because I am very curious to see what this is going to do. And the last item took me by surprise. I saw this and I was like, that is right on my street, and that's got to be easy to make, and it is. Yeah, B&M do lots of this, the THESKINNYFOODCO range, and I love this. We bought syrup ages ago, and I bought it off Amazon because I can't ever see it in shops. If I ever see it, I will buy it. We use that sauce to make like a hot chocolate, like a cherry gatto one that Costa do at Christmas. That is beautiful, but it's a skinny thing, so it's a bit more sort of good in calories, good, healthier, nice on your hips, if that's how you say it. But I saw this and I thought this has got to be easy to make. So this is the Skinny low sugar chocolate brownie mix with sweeteners. 0 palm oil, 97 calories, that's got a star by it, so it must mean per brownie. Per brownie, there you go, is 97 calories, calories, and there's 200 g in this packet. So on the packet it tells you how to make them. So all you do is you add the whole THESKINNYFOODCO low sugar chocolate brownie mix, 1 egg, 110 water and 20 ml oil to a bowl. Mix the ingredients together, spread in a lined tin, cook to 8 to 10 minutes, and there you go. I actually may do a video on this because I'm looking forward to doing these, and I want to see if they come out really good. It says there's 9 brownies, but it depends how sort of thick they are, doesn't it, and what sort of tray we use. I can't wait to use this because I thought this was only at the price of £2. I thought, you know what, that's a good cooking day if you just want to do something simple, something nice, a little treat, but it's still good in your calorie diet and it's still healthy. Then this is really good. But probably do a video of this because I want to see what them brownies taste out like. I do not like a brownie, I don't know if anyone is with me on this, I do not like a brownie that literally looks like a cake. That's not a brownie. A brownie is like a stodgy cake, like stodgy, sticky, moist, oh, just goodness. That's what I'm hoping these will come out like, because they look quite nice, but then they look a bit cakey on the front, but then that one looks really like as perfect as it should be. But we will try this and we will see what it's like, what the consistency is like, how easy it's to make, and if the brownies do come out any good. That is the last item in this B&M haul. I hope that you've enjoyed the video. I've showed you some good range of stuff there because there were some new bits that we needed, there were some old bits I really wanted, and there's some good little bargains and dupes. Because them bowls, I suppose you could say that they're dupes for the White Company. I would be surprised if the White Company did something like that because they're just classy and nice. But things like that, just look out for, because there is some nice stuff. But if you do like something, then try and grab it when you can, because sometimes, like my mum said, you see it and it's gone. So that's just a life lesson there. But if you did like it, then give it a nice thumbs up for the video. If you liked any of the product, the advice, anything in the video, give it a massive thumbs up. Also, you can subscribe to tazwells12 if you are absolutely new here. We would be more than welcome for you to join the Little Love family and join all the existing subscribers that have already joined to my lovely YouTube journey. My other social medias out on my main page by clicking the button, and also comment down below. The video is not sponsored. I am not sponsored by B&M. This is a advice video for you. So come and join us, and yeah, great. Thank you for watching. Thank you for enjoying the video. Thank you for supporting. Thank you for everything. And I hope that you have a lovely day and a lovely evening, and I will see you soon, guys.